trust, and vice versa. We would like for you guys to really get to learn what we're all about, how we can work with you, really just help everyone around us achieve financial freedom on their terms. Welcome to Making Investing Easy through Commercial Real Estate. I'm Ben Soifer with Money Management, and we are looking to make everybody's lives easier in order to achieve financial freedom through commercial real estate. I've been in real estate for the last 30 years, and specifically in commercial real estate for the last 20 years. Why do I choose to focus on properties that are industrial, that are need-based retail operations nationwide? You should subscribe or call me or text me, check out any of the social channels that I have, and we should converse. You should really see how we can work together and how money management can really help you and your investor friends grow their wealth, because that's really what our mission is. I'm specifically involved in all assets of the fund, as we are a fund that is private equity and invests nationwide. Now, we're looking to work with affiliates that are also nationwide and are looking for their freedom of time and, again, financial freedom. Check out our main page, see the blogs that we have, go to our affiliate page and check out our guidelines and what it is that we're looking to purchase. If you are an accredited investor, please go to our investor page, which is under passive income through commercial real estate, because that's really what it's all about. FF4A, Financial Freedom for All, is a non-profit which is associated with our company, and it is completely transparent as we are. We have our book, A Manual for the Ultimate Real Estate Investor. If you have not read it yet, you should definitely read it, because it will let you know why we don't purchase specifically those types of assets. So enough about that. We'll dive into it a little bit later on. For now, let's go to the outdoors. Like I said, that's really where business is done. Everything's good. It's always nice to take a little break. You know, none of us want to be like a ping pong and bounce around, right? We're looking for stability and cruise control with our finances. So education is really the key, other than just qualifying. You can go to our website, moneymanagement.today, and you can read a little bit more why we choose to invest in commercial real estate. And transparency is key. I didn't grow up, playing ping pong. I grew up as a refugee from Ukraine and lived in Israel later on. But when I came to this country, and I've been here for 36 years, I've been able to truly achieve financial freedom. And let me show you guys really what it is that it means to me. For me, earlier in my career, a car like I have now, or this photo for example, that's really what I was looking for. The ability to be able to go mountain biking, the ability to be able to go skiing, golfing, and still attend all the family events, that's key, and that's financial freedom to me. So let's keep walking, because I'll show you really why I do what I do. And that's the motivation right there. That's my beautiful family from about 10 years ago. And of course, health is the most important thing, but being able to afford their college tuition is a big one. At the end of the day, we wouldn't have enough for the 529 account if you don't start planning ahead. It's important that you think ahead and plan ahead on how to be able to provide financial freedom to your family. When looking ahead, you always want to look at stability and what's going to be able to be sustained long term. We're all looking for cruise control, and that's what commercial real estate is. Let's check out the view. Whenever you're looking for investments that will be able to perform as you would like them to or better, it's really important that you do your due diligence and you look at the historicals. If the property has historically been occupied at an 80% and the market will not allow it to be at over 90%, the fact that you're going to do your numbers at over 90%, thinking that you're going to be that most amazing property landlord that will be able to run this property at a higher occupancy than historically, that's not realistic. So whenever you look at occupancy, stick to historicals. Another red flag is property taxes. One of the big reasons why we don't invest in multifamily units is because the leases don't allow the investor to pass through the expenses of property taxes. And as we all know, in many states, such as Texas, property taxes could be as much as 3%. That's not what works for us. And that's why we stick to commercial, industrial, retail, needed location, needed operations, because if it's not e-commerce proof, then we don't want it. We're looking to acquire nationwide, and if you're in the commercial real estate space and you have a few deals that you would like to monetize, definitely reach out to us. Definitely register your information. Let us know your coverage areas nationwide so we can work together. I typically jump in, but I'm not going to do it today. We're going to go and see what I do in the gym.
Hand up and hold. Time.
Commercial real estate is stable. Don't allow the bumps of life to mess up your investment plan. Remember, don't wish for it, work for it. The one last thing, which is make sure that you're focusing on your mental health and you understanding that financial freedom is different for everybody. You need to know what it is that you're looking for. Thanks everybody for watching, and looking forward to seeing you on the next workshop of Making Investing Easy. Bye everyone.